Today, I have just received this bad boy. But not only this one, but another one. Yes, that's right, I've ordered two. We are going to unpack these babies and we are going to have a look at them. But first, let's just have a run through this this box here. Sorry, I'm in my dressing gown at the minute. I'm a bit eager. So yes, it is the Radeon R9 295X2, if you hadn't already noticed. It comes with 8GB GDDR5 RAM, AMD Infinity technology, and it supports 4K display with DirectX 11.2 support, soon to be DirectX 12 in the future, and it supports the PCI Express 3. Okay, so let's take a look at the back of the box. Okay, so it tells you all about the system requirements. 1000 watts power supply, which will be coming later. Graphics core, next, architecture, crossfire technology, power tune technology, and again tells you all about the Infinity technology. All the key features about the 512-bit bus interface, very fast. Yeah, you can see the water cooling kit and stuff like that all built in. Take a look around the sides. VTX. Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, we'll get on to the unpacking. Okay, so this is what comes inside the box. Obviously we have here our VTX 3D driver's disc here for the graphics card. We also have here, which you really do need to take a note of if buying something like this, is that your basic system requirements. It sucks in 28 amps or there around of dedicated current. It needs this, otherwise your computer will shut down. That is inevitable. So I'll put that on the side here. Okay, let's just remove this. Here we go. You can see it there, graphics card. And the radiator with the fan built in. Comes with this thing here. What are those? I can't see them properly. They look like mounting screws. It comes with a DVI HDMI converter and also a DisplayPort cable. Doesn't come with anything else that I can't see, can I know? Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to get this out of the box and I'll be with you in a second. Okay, I know I shouldn't really be doing this on the floor, but this is only a temporary, very quick measure. Okay, so this again is the graphics card. It is actually quite big. I think if I remember it's 10.5 inches in length. It's either 10.5 or something around that figure anyway, between 10 and 13 inches in length. It is quite big for most desktop PCs of this day. The camera doesn't really do it any justice. This radiator here is actually quite big. Look how wide that is. I'd say that's around about 5 or 6, maybe 7 centimeters in width. It's quite big. Oh, within width, yeah. Bigger than my other radiators. Fins are quite wide as well, which is really good for heat dissipation. Very good. It looks like it's well set up. And the fins on those are huge. I mean, look at that compared to my finger. Look at it. It's massive. But anyway. Standard VTX 8.5, I think that's 8.5 centimeter fan in the center. That's just to keep the VRAM cool. You can just see underneath the fans there, he's got a copper heat sink. That's just to keep that all running nice and cool. Okay, let's just turn this over. Okay, you can see here that those two squares, brackets, they are for the graphics processing units. There are two on this, if you didn't already know. I'm sure most people do, otherwise you wouldn't be researching it right now. It comes with a PCIe protector, and same with the ports here. So yeah, that's basically it really. You can see they're covered up right now because it's new, but they are two 8-pin graphics card pin-ins. Getting my words mixed up here, and this is getting all tangled up. Oh dear. Okay, so this is the setup. There is the two Radeon R9 295X2s running together in crossfire. What's called 8350 CPU. I'm soon to be upgrading to the new Intel stuff that's coming out this September, if it comes out this September. There are there's the two radiators for them, and there's the fan in the corner there. And there's my power supply that's running them. AX1500i, very powerful. Runs my games very nicely. Unfortunately, at the minute, one is an X16 and the other one is an X8. There's the other X16 slot right there, right at the top. Do you really think that's the greatest idea? I don't think so. Stupid placement. So I'm gonna have to wait for the new system to come. Is that 14 gig of RAM there? All different makes, all the same speed though, all the same timing. I made sure of that. Got 3 hard drives there, 500, 80, 300 backup. I also have 2 solid state drives. I'm in the process of transferring all of my things over, but all of my games are on my 500 solid state drive, so they run pretty smoothly. I will put a game on and you can see how it runs, but everything's in 4K, so everything may look a little bit small, but the gameplay is rather nice. So I will get that sorted out for you. So I'll see you back in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm in the middle of playing Metro here. Hang on, let me just... There, I'm gonna have to hold this because I don't have any stand. I'm using a Samsung UHD 4K monitor. It cost me 400 odd quid, and it's very, very clean. I'm just gonna hold this, so you have to bear with me, okay?
The creature I met in the burned out remains of the god.
I've only just started this.
Dark one, and it was able to enter my mind.
Skip.
The innermost. Get up here.
Oh god, I've got to get up some ladders with one hand.
Shh. Duck. Now listen. Pretend you're a little fucking mouse. Get down. Don't make any sudden moves. Let's move. Get ready, huh?
You can do nothing but harm.
Okay.
Just by shooting you.
No, we're not going to shoot.
Thank you.
Yes, in the corner, right up there. Right up there. I'm doing about 50 odd frames.
Follow me.
He wants me to follow him.
Führer is infallible.
I can't even see this guy. Oh god, never mind. But you get the idea.
Follow me.
he's still trying to talk to me. I can't see the guy.
What's there to do?
Where the hell are you, huh?
Sounds like he's to my left, but...
Where are you? Huh? Did you get lost?
How's this? If we can do
Oh,
the shot,
I think he's seen me.
It's no place for something.
What happened? I don't know what happened. Okay, well anyway. Yeah, I'm running at around about 50 frames. It's on very high settings. So yeah. Thought I'd give you a bit of an intro, even though the camera's kind of crap. But yeah, I'll try to get some proper recording software if you guys can, you know, share some software with me or something. That'd be great. Some free software preferably, but if not, then whatever, cool, I'll just try and find something. But yeah, there you go. That's the Radeons running in Crossfire. They are both lit up at the minute because they are both in use. When they switch, when the bottom one switches off, when it's not in use, but the fans still keep going, which is really good because it helps keep the system cool. So yeah, but they're both in use at the minute because I'm playing Metro Last Light. But yeah, if you guys could share some feedback, that would be great. I know the video might not be as good as it could have been, but hey, I probably missed out on a few bits. But yeah, share some feedback, guys. I can make better videos then, can't I? Alright, thanks for looking anyway. Cheers.